Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. I hope you guys are doing well today and that you've had a lot of crocheting, crafting time over the last few weeks since I have been here. Once again, my life got in the way of recording. What happened was the first week, that I was supposed to record, we had an air show that I had forgot about, and when I went to record on the weekend I realized that that was not going to happen. I only live a couple of miles from my airport, which was hosting the air show, and when the airplanes that come in, the fighter planes and all of this stuff come in to do their maneuvers and do all of their showing off, they do it right basically over our housing area that's out here. And it was extremely loud, and there was no way I was going to be able to record. So that was one of them. And then last week I was going to attempt, and my computer went out, well, the charger to charge it. So I did not have enough juice on my laptop to upload my videos, and so I had to wait for the charger to come in. And then the day after my charger went out, my phone had a problem. I was thinking, well, I'll use my phone because I've never done that. I'll try to record on my phone and see what happens. And then something happened with my phone. And then I couldn't do anything with my phone till my son came, took care of that problem. So there was several days that I had no phone and no computer, and that was quite rough. You don't really know how much you depend on that stuff until you don't have it. But, I made it through, and it was like, I can survive without a phone and a computer. So once I got through the initial first day or so, a couple of days, then I didn't really even miss them as far as that goes. Okay, so that's where I've been, but I'm back again. I'm trying it again. So I have two finished objects to show you. I have a work in progress, and then we will do the crochet giveaway winners. Okay, so the first thing I want to show is some coasters. Well, they're both going to be coasters. In my last video, I had showed you a bookmark that looked like it had waves on it, and it had like a little goldfish at the end. And I had told you that I was going to use just part of that pattern and make coasters with it. So that's what I did. So here are the coasters. They're ocean waves. I made them longer this way. I added probably another row or two onto it. But this is ocean waves, and the pattern for the bookmark is on crochetspot.com. Please go check her out. She has a lot of easy, quick projects on there to do. So what I did was I took that bookmark that you will find on her website, and I just halved it and then made it a little longer to make coasters. And as I always do, I backed it with felt, and this just helps to kind of sturdy up, make them more sturdy. So that is one project. I love the waves. I love the wave pattern on here. And the next one, if you remember, was the pumpkins. So here are the finished pumpkins, and I used a variegated fall yarn, and just to be a little different. So all of the stems are a little bit different. And I backed them, of course, with felt. So very fun. This pattern is also on crochetspot.com as well. So I did those, and I have a question for you guys, if you guys would just like to give me your opinion. I'm putting these in my Etsy store. I don't know when. I'm trying to make up a lot of coasters. But I would like to know, if you are someone that likes coasters and would purchase coasters, whether it be from me, from someone else on Etsy, from eBay, from Amazon, the store, wherever you buy coasters, would you be more likely to buy coasters if they were in a set of 4? Or would you be more likely to buy coasters that were in a set of 8 or a set of 6? I just am kind of wanting to know if this is enough, or if this is enough, or if this is too many, or what. So if you guys can just like give me some comments, some ideas of what you all like, if you like to have a lot of coasters on hand, or just, minimal for here and there. Yeah, just let me know. So, because if I need to make more of like these, then I can make more. Or if I don't need this many, then I don't have to put this many in my store. I can maybe put, 4 of them in there. So, yeah, just let me know. I would appreciate it. Okay, so those are my 2 finished objects. Okay, now I am in a cowl, a polka-dot blanket cowl with the Secret Yarnery. And if you guys have not seen her videos, please go check her out, the Secret Yarnery. She has tutorials, she has demonstrations, she does reviews, she has a podcast that she does. She does a live chat on Fridays. At the end of her podcast, she takes you on a ride around of her area of Africa that she lives in, takes you shopping with her, takes you to zoos and places like that around there, kind of like armchair traveling. So it's kind of interesting, so please go check her out. Anyway, she's having a cowl, polka-dot blanket cowl, and I'm participating in that. And these are the colors that I am using for the cowl. They're all Super Saver. They were all pretty much taking up leftover yarn. So I'm not sure. This is new yarn right here that I got. And this is, I think, Wavelength, Super Saver, Wavelength. And this is Minty. And this is Super Saver. Right here. So anyway, you make the circles. And then these are also 2 colors that I am putting in there as well. So I've got a light pink, and then I have this grape purple. So what you do, you make the circles, you turn the circles into squares, which is what I'm doing. I've got these squares, and I've got and I'm waiting for some more warm brown. That is Red Heart Super Saver Warm Brown. And then I will finish these up, and then I will join the squares together. Now she has a tutorial. That's why I said if you want to do this blanket, she has a tutorial on making the circles. She has a tutorial on turning them into squares. And she also has a tutorial on joining them all together to make the blanket. And then she has a tutorial on making a border, which is beautiful border. So that is what I have been working on. Why I have been gone. I have been busy. I have been crocheting, as you can see. So not a day has been wasted as far as that goes. So that's all I have for that. Let me go ahead and do the crochet patterns for you guys. I'm trying to see. Okay, I'm going to need, there's 3 of you that I do need addresses for. So when you hear your name, go ahead and leave me your address in my email, which will be down in the description below. And then I can get this right out to you guys. Okay, the first one is the zigzag post stitch throw. There were 7 people that were interested in this. And Terry at Yarn Joy Podcast, you are the winner. Congratulations. Please just go ahead and send me your address in to my email down below, and I'll get this out to you. Congratulations. Okay. The next one is the Imogen scarf. There were 4 people that were interested in this. And the winner is Jennifer D. Jennifer D. If you would please leave your address in my email down below, I will get this right out to you. Congratulations. And the taffy scarf. We had 5 people interested in this. And the winner is Melinda Hartley. Melinda Hartley. Please leave your, or give me your address in my email, which is down below, and I'll get this out to you. Congratulations. And the last one is the watermelon coasters. And Linda Denton, you are the winner of the watermelon coasters. And I do have your address, so I'll get this right out to you. So that is all for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for watching, for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. To all of my returning viewers, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. It means a lot to me. If you are new and you do like what you've seen, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, and that will let you know when I have a new video up for you to see. So until next time, everybody take care.